Welcome, dear children. Welcome to grammar class. 100 examples for direct and indirect speech. Right? Shall we see? First example. She says, comma, inverted comma, I am ill. Comma and inverted comma says that it is a direct speech. She says that she is ill. Second one, I will study, Mary said. Mary said that she would study. She said, the exam is difficult. Here you have to close the quotes. There is a mistake here. She said the test was difficult. I bought a car. He said he bought a car. My parents are very well. Alex said that his parents were very well. Alex is the subject. Here we have to assume the subject. Please don't be late. He asked them not to be late. Not there, them. I am living in Texas now. Her father said that he was living in London now. He was living in Texas now. I am living in Paris. He said that he was living in Paris. My mother isn't very well. She said that her mother was not very well. So we are seeing 11th question now. I was walking along the street. He said he had been walking along the street. I haven't seen George recently. She said that she hadn't seen George recently. When it was past tense, then you have to change into past perfect tense. That is what I was walking, and in the answer he said he had been walking. I haven't seen, have is changed to had. She hadn't seen. I would help, but he said he would help, but I am waiting for Michael, she said. She said that she was waiting for Michael. They said they have taken exercise. They said that they had taken exercise. I can speak perfect Spanish. He said he could speak perfect Spanish. Can change to could. I haven't seen Mary. He said he hadn't seen Mary. What is your name? She asked me. She asked me what my name was. I was sleeping when Mary called. He said that he had been sleeping when Mary called. Was sleeping. Past continuous. Here present perfect, past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Please help me. He asked me to help him, not him. Sorry. It's too late. I said it was too late. I had taken Spanish lessons before. He said he had taken Spanish lessons before. Did you do your homework? He asked me if I had done my homework. Did is changed to had done. Please help me to carry this. My mother asked me to help her carry that. This changed to that. Me changed to her. I like ice cream. He said that he liked ice cream. I will see you later. He said he would see me later. I could swim when I was 4. He said he could swim when he was 4. I should call my mother. He said he should call her mother. I might be late. He said he might be late. He said, comma, inverted comma, I was teaching earlier. He said he had been teaching earlier. Mary said, I have been writing this essay. Mary said that he had been writing that essay. Michael said, I may go there. Michael says that she may go there. We can't go to the zoo next week. They said they cannot, they could not, not cannot, could not go to the zoo next week. George said, I write a letter. George is will not come. George said that she wrote a letter. It's not she, he wrote a letter. George is a boy. and is will not come. These are all the errors and you have to find it out. I said he is driving a car. I said that he was driving a car. Spotting the error, these type of questions will come. George is said. 36. Question number 36. I am reading a book, he explained. He explained that he was reading a book. My father said, I am cooking dinner. My father said that he was cooking dinner. My sister said, I had already eaten. My sister said that she had already eaten. My boyfriend asked, do you like horror movies? Do you like horror films? My boyfriend asked. Question mark will not come, full stop. I never get up late, my mother said. My mother said that she never got up late. She said, I might come early. She said she might come early. She said that she might come early. I'm leaving home now. She said that he left home then. Are you living here? He asked me if I was living here. There. Here changes to there. I am going to come. She said that she was going to come. We can communicate smoothly. They said that they could communicate smoothly. Smoothly, SMOOTHL. I often enjoy myself. Mary will say that she often enjoys herself. Everything is going fine. The news says that everything is going fine. My father was born in 1962. My father told us that he was born in 1962. She said, I have missed my train. She said that she had missed her train. I'm sorry for the accident. George told Samuel that he was sorry for the accident. He said, I'm a football player. He said that he was a football player. Michael said, I will buy a new car. Michael said that he will buy a new car. He would buy a new car. He and would. There is a change here. Mark said, Bill needs a pencil. Mark said that Bill needed a pencil. She said, I went to the shopping center. She said that she had gone. Went is past tense. So, had gone to the shopping center. I write poems. He says that he writes poems. She said, I would buy new house if I were rich. She said that she would buy new house if she had been rich. May I go out? She wanted to know if she might go out. May present tense and might is past tense. She is American, she said. She said that she was American. My son, do the exercise. She told her son to do the exercise. I don't know what to do. Samuel added that he didn't know what to do. 61 question. The minister said there will be no growth this year. The minister said that there will be no growth that year. There would be. So there is a change here. There would be no growth that year. This will be changed to that. I am sitting on the chair. Arya said that Arya said that he was sitting on the chair. I have found a new job, my mother said. My mother said that she had found a new job. Go to bed, mother said to the children. Mother told the children to go to bed. Mark arrived on Sunday, he said. He said that Mark had arrived on Sunday. I have been to France, she told me. She told me that she had been to France. Michael said, I have finished my lunch. She said that she had finished her lunch, not his lunch, her lunch. My brother said, I met Alex yesterday. My brother said that he had met Alex yesterday. The dentist said, your father doesn't need an operation. Dentist said that my father doesn't need an operation. He said, man is mortal. He said that man is mortal. Sansa said, I am very busy now. Sansa said that she was very busy then. Now changed to then. He said, I like coffee. He said that he likes coffee. Come at 11. Alex told me to come at 11. He said he's listening to the music. He said that he was listening to the music. Mercedes is a good car. Tom said Mercedes was a good car. I am a doctor, he said. He said that he was a doctor. Michael was ill. Michael's father said that Michael had been ill or he had been ill. I could swim when I was 5. My girlfriend said that she could swim when she was 5. What are you doing? He asked me what I was doing. Don't smoke. The teacher told us not to smoke. The butcher told us we are closing at 7 o'clock. The butcher told us that they were closing at 7 o'clock. Not we, they. Today is nice, said George. George said that the day was nice. That day was nice. He asked her, how often do you work? He asked her how often she worked. He works in a bank. She said that he worked in a bank. I'm angry with you. My mother said she was angry with me. I can help you tomorrow. She said that she could help me tomorrow. Tomorrow, the next day. I often have a big meet. My son says that he often has had a big hamburger. Meet here, hamburger. Dance with me. Maria told me to dance with her. Must I do the city? My sister asked if she had to do the city. Please wash your hands. My father told me to wash my hands. So 91 question. Michael asked Tom, are you married? Michael asked Tom whether she was married. I didn't go to the party. Alex said that he hadn't gone to the party. He said, I live in the city center. He said that he lived in the city center. My father is helping me in my studies. He said his father was helping in his studies. He said, I can swim. He said he could swim. He said, I had lived in Paris. He said that she had lived in Paris. I don't understand you. Teacher said that he didn't understand me. He said, I will wash my teeth. He said he would wash his teeth. Why are you going to school? Mary asked Alex why he was going to school. Listen to me. Mother told me to listen to him. So that's it. So many mistakes are there in this. Change that and try to understand. If there is any doubt, you please